Okay, today you're going to be taking a beginning of the year screener through STEMScopes, and it's for math. And I'm going to show you how to log into that using your class link. So if you don't know how to get to class link, you're going to go to the Elgin ISD website, go to Students, go down to Class Link. You're on this, and then you're going to go down to Textbooks, and it looks like a little file folder. You're going to click it, and STEMScopes Primary Student. It is not going to log you in, and you're going to have your username, password already put in there. You might have that, but I wanted to tell you your username is your initials, lowercase, with your lunch number, and then your password is the exact same thing, your initials and your lunch number. So I'm going to log in. Okay, now I'm logged in. This is your Texas Math grade 3 pre-assessment. This is what you are taking. Take your time, do the best you can. This is not a grade, but it will help me understand what areas of math you are really good at and what areas of math you need some more practice with. Please complete this before the due date of September 16th, 2020. That's this week. This is what you're going to be working on today. There's not an activity to go along with the lesson. This is what you're doing, but you have until the 16th to get it done, and then I will be giving some feedback based on these results that you guys do. So you're just going to click Assigned, or you're just going to click this right here, Texas Math, that's what you're going to click, and you can go ahead and get started. So let's review that one more time. You're on the Elgin ISD website, you go to Students, you scroll down, you find your class link, it takes you to class link, you look for the little app that says Textbooks, and it looks like a file folder. You click it, and you click on STEMScopes Primary Student, you log in, and it might already log me in. You log in using your initials and your lunch number, and then your password is the exact same thing. Log in, and it will be right there for you. All right, good luck.